Hello guys, my name is Shine, and today I'll be showing you guys how I trade the digital market by using tradingview. Tradingview is the best place for me. It is the best place to analyze your trade, your pairs, your currency pairs before you actually take a trade. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use tradingviews to analyze your market. So as you can see, I'm on tradingview.com, and I'll show you guys how to use it. Okay, before you can use tradingview, you need to create an account with tradingview. Once you register your account with tradingview, whatever you do in the market is saved automatically, so you don't need to go back and come back and start doing your analysis again. So I'll show you guys how to use this. Then I hope you guys keep in touch. I'm going to be really clear and polite because this is the basic step, so I want everybody to understand a thing or two on how the market works before you venture into it. So this is product. Under product, you see chart, you see screeners, you see heat maps, price, futures, but we want to look at how the market looks like. Like if you can see here, you see BTC, you see Tesla, you see Apple. Those are stocks market. BTC, we all know it's crypto market. So Tesla and Apple, that's stock. So we want to go to the chart and see what the chart has for us. Okay, so this is as you can see here, US dollar and Canadian dollar. You can see USD CAD. These are the abbreviations for currencies. When you look below, you see which currency is against which currencies. Here you can see 1H, 4H day, and a weekly. This is 1 hour, this is 4 hours, this is 1 day, and this is weeks. We have others too, other time frames. We have 1 second, 5 seconds, down to I think we have up to a year. Okay, we have one range, 100 range up to 1000 range. But me, I like to use, I'm a day trader, so I like to use the monthly time frame down to the 1 hour time frame, or sometimes 5 minutes, depending on what I want to do in the market. I might want to scalp. Before going into the market, you need to understand and know which type of trader you want to be. We have different type of traders. We have the day trader, we have the position traders, we have the scalpers, we have intraday traders. We have so many of them. We can always check it out. Okay, today I want to show you how to use tradingview. Like I said, you go to tradingview.com, you go to chart, then you see everything. Indicators, we have different indicators in the market. We have alert, we have replay, save, settings. If you want to change the font of your chart, you can go to settings and do that. But what I really want to show you guys today is the tools. The tools you use in trading the market. We have the trend line, as you can see the trend line. We have the Fibonacci retracement tools. We have the brush. We have text. We have so many patterns. If you see the arrow beside, you see different type of options of patterns in the market. Like you can see tons of patterns in the market, tons of patterns. You just need to know the right pattern to use, or the pattern that suits the market. Okay, this is trend line. Under trend line, you see different tools. You see the trend line, you see the arrow, you see the ray, you see a lot of tools, but I like to use the trend line. I use arrow. I can even start them to make sure they are always here anytime I want to use it. Okay, Fibonacci, we have brush, we have text. We have, if you want to apply text to your chart, text, pattern. We have the long position, short position. Long position is for buying, short position is for selling. We have forecast, we have date and range, we have price range, we have date and price range. A lot. I can go on and on, but I don't want to bore you with a lot of talk. Okay, I know this, some people are new to this, so you need to really pay attention to what I'm doing here so that you get the picture of how this really works. Okay, this is, let's go to 1 month. Okay, this is 1 month. As you can see, 1 month. You see here, this candle came out on the 1st of September and it's going to run till the end of September. So each candle represents 1 month. See, August, July, June, May, down to 20th of March 2020. You can see the date. So this one is this year and this is this month, 1st of September 2020. That's when this candle formed. Then we have the weekly time frame. Each candle represents 1 week. This is this week's candle. You can see it's red. That means it's bearish. We have bull, we have the bear market, we have the bull market. We'll get to that, but let's just know how this really works. This is the this week time frame. I think this week is going to be closing bearish, possibly. The market will close today by 10:30, so before then we'll see how this candle closes. Okay, this is a week. You see here 1 day, you can see it's down there, 1 day. So each candle represents 1 day. Yeah, 1 day. Each candle you see here represents 1 day. This is today, 9th of September. Yesterday, day before yesterday. Yeah, so you can see this candles really speak a lot of languages. Like I said, we've seen tools, different tools here. We've seen time frame, daily time frame. We have 4 hours time frame. Each candle represents 4 hours. 4 hours. Because I've been in the market for a very long time, I can actually tell you what this market is going to do. Okay, it's going to take a lot of practice and time to get to understand the patterns of the market. So we're doing the basics, so let me not bore you guys too much. This are 4-hour candles. Then we have a 1-hour candle. Each candle represents 1 hour. So in the next 20 minutes, this is the time, this is the price. You can see 20 minutes 33 seconds. You can see the time reading. So it's current action, what is really happening. This is real life, not just one candlestick. This is real life. These candles are moving with time, what is happening in the world today. So this represents each candles. I hope you understand. So this market is at 1.30288. So, and we have about 20 minutes and some seconds left for that candle to close. Okay, now we have the candles. I can change. If I don't want to look at the candles, I can look at the line chart. You see it. I know a lot of you see this every day. You see it every day, but you don't know what it means. We'll get there. So this is the line chart. We have other chart. We have the bar. Okay, but I like to use candles and line chart for filters. Okay, we have different type of indicators too. There's a lot of indicators, 24, blah blah, a lot. I don't want to bore you guys a lot, but if you're gonna have any indicators on your chart, which I don't think is really necessary, you should have relative strength index, RSI. You see it? You see it come up? You see it here? That's a relative, RSI, relative strength index. This is the 14 close simple movement average. This is SMA. This line, this yellow line that you see here, is the simple moving average. So I use the line chart or I use the candles. You can see it's pushing down. This is a very good market though. Okay, so let me continue by telling you guys how to, showing you guys how to use this. Okay, you can lock trend line. Okay, let's do this. Normally I don't do this, but because I want you guys to understand what I'm doing. If you notice, markets always do this move. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, so we have another high. We always see this, right? Okay, this means a lot of things in the market. You see this and you just say no, it's nothing. Okay, so trend line, if I bring my trend line, I'll take from here up. I can take from here up. Okay, now there are two types of zones in the market. We have the support zones and we have the resistance zones. The support zone is where the market makes the decision to buy, and the resistance zone is where the market makes the decision to sell. So this can be considered as a support zone. I'll change the color so that you understand. Let's use red. Okay, so this here, look at it, the market pushed up. Let me use a black line here so that we can differentiate the channels. Okay, please, if you have a question, if you have any question, you just hit me up on the